You've worked hard your entire adult life, and now you might have some sort of retirement account with the state government, federal government, or through your private employer. Or maybe your spouse has one. But what happens to these accounts as part of a divorce? And what happens to these accounts after the divorce? Hi everybody, I'm Sean Ramirez, a divorce and custody attorney here at Frazier Ramirez Law in Albuquerque. I have a number of clients that come to me understanding that their spouse is going to get half of their retirement, but they're worried that their spouse is going to continue to get half of what goes into their retirement account after they divorce. They're usually relieved to find out that's not the case, but we'll come back to this in a sec. So now, retirement accounts like 401ks, New Mexico PARA accounts, and federal FERS or TSP accounts are assets that can be divided as part of a divorce. But only the community portion gets divided, meaning that if there were contributions made before the marriage or contributions made after the divorce, those portions are not divided. It can be difficult to evaluate how much the community portion represents, and this evaluation is important if you're trying to equitably divide retirement accounts as one component of numerous assets in a divorce. This really becomes necessary if one spouse wants to keep their retirement intact. And so, as part of an equitable division, some other equal asset has to get placed in the other spouse's column. To avoid this, sometimes it's just easier to split the retirement accounts down the middle. The way that this is accomplished is with a document called a Qualified Domestic Relations Order, or QDRO. This is an order that the judge signs and then gets sent off to the retirement plan administrator, who will take the actions necessary to divide the account. Dealing with retirement accounts can be one of the most difficult parts of a divorce, as there are tax implications and questions about when you can access the funds. Make sure you do your homework as part of your divorce. Once again, this has been Sean Ramirez from Frazier Ramirez Law.